2 minutes. Grabe no, 2 minutes lang talaga. Sa gusto mag-CR, mag-CR na po. Kasi mamaya, isarado na natin pinto kasi bawal na pong lumabas. Joke. Ayan. Sige. Nandito na ba lahat?
Yan na.
Ma'am, kayo ma'am, dito po kayo sa unahan ma'am. Kasi, pag dito daw, yun daw yung unang pag natatalsikan daw ng laway ng speaker, yun yung unang yumaman. Yan, salamat po. So, once again, good afternoon everyone. Ready na ba kayo? Handa na ba kayong makilala yung speaker natin ngayong hapon?
Yes.
Sige, hindi na natin patatagalin. Ang speaker natin ngayong hapon, isa itong iniidolo ko dito sa Sante. Nagtatrabaho po siya sa Real Estate as admin. Yon. Tapos ginagawa po niya yung Sante Barley as part-time. Tapos isa po siyang leader dito sa Sante UAA. So, palakpakan po natin ang ating speaker ngayong gabi. Please help me welcome our speaker for tonight, Miss Tiffany Hermosa.
Yay! Thank you so much, Coach Joy. Hi everyone, good afternoon. Ayun. Firstly, I want to thank our VIPs and our partners who took time to come here. Kasi alam ko naman how precious our time is. Diba? Especially pag off natin, gusto natin nagpapahinga na lang tayo, but you guys took your time to come here. So thank you so much po. And were you informed kung ba't kayo nandito? Yeah, okay. It's about the business. How about you, ma'am? Same? Okay. Long as we're on the same page. So yes, again, my name is Tiffany Hermosa. I'll be the presenter for Sante Business presentation. So, before I start, live. So, may mga technical issues there. So, before I start with kung ano talaga yung Sante Edge, I have 2 questions for the VIPs. Are you currently living your dreams, or are you just going through your life on a day-to-day basis? Let's start with you, sir. What's your good name? Anton. Anthony. Anton, okay. So, Anton, nasan ka na ngayon? You're currently living the... chasing your dream. Nice, nice. That's good. Let's say, i-rate natin ang chasing mo from 1 to 10. 10 is your dream. Nasan ka na ngayon sa race? Okay, at least you're halfway through. Right? Thank you so much, Anton. How about you, ma'am? Anong name nila? Telma. Okay. Telma, how about you? You don't have to stand kasi may coffee. Okay. Midway. Okay. Wow! Malakpakan naman natin. Nasa 8 na si Ma'am Telma. Alright. How about you? What's your name? Julie. Judy. Hi, Julie. Magkasama lang tayo sa washroom. Tapos na... Very barley ba? Sinadya ko talaga para mag-register sa inyo yung barley. Ayaw mo na, nakatwining sana tayo. Anyways, Judy, how about you? 7. Still, di ba? Thank you, guys. Okay, that's good to hear kasi at least wala kayo dun sa nagsisimula pa lang. You're doing something with your life to achieve your dreams. That's good. That's good. Okay, so to continue, ano sa tingin nyo yung mga bagay, like, let's start with 8 kasi malayo-layo ka na eh. Ano yung mga naging parang processes mo for you to at least reach 8 para dun sa mga like for him, for Jordan and for Judy? Goal, perfect. Plans and goals. Okay, how about 8-7? Plans and goals. Wag na yung nasabi na. Okay, I'll get back to you. Pero babalikan kita. How about you, Jordan? Anton, sorry. Sino si Jordan? Anton, sorry. Uy. Sorry. Consistency. Perfect. Sa kahit anong ginagawa natin, the moment you stop right away, wala na. So there, we have to have a goal and plan. Consistency. Ikaw na. Sige, to be fair with our business, the rest of the people at the back is our business partners. Sige, to be fair with you, magtatawag tayo ng isa. Pero syempre ka muna. Okay. Oh, I love that. Failure is never an option. Excuse me. Failure is not an option. Tama. We will fail, yes. But since it's not an option, the moment you fail, you have to stand up and then continue. Ang gaganda naman ng mga papatalo ba mga business partner natin. Hindi na pwedeng gayahin ha. May plans. Okay? Merong consistency and failure is not an option daw. Okay. How about you, mentor Trish? What can you add? Okay. Isa pa, last na. Mentor Sally. Oh, sorry. Nagko-coffee. Impromptu. Okay. Anyways, ilan na yon? 4 na yun, di ba? Sige, ikaw muna mag-proxy, Mentor Ellie. Kasi nagko-coffee pa si Mentor Sally.
Siyempre, love what you do and do or die lang.
Do or die. Grabe, ang gagaling naman ng mga sagot. Okay, nakakalima na tayo. And to think, what we're trying to aim here is just to achieve the dream, right? Pero dito, you just need to. Ano yun? So those are time and money. Do you agree? Possible ba na ang dami mong oras pero wala kang pera, pero ma-achieve mo yung dream mo, 10 ka kagad? Possible ba yun? Eh kung ang dami mong pera, trillionaire, meron na tayong trillionaire, di ba, si Elon Musk. Madami kang pera pero wala ka namang time. Still, no, sorry, excuse me. Okay, right, you're right to say na hindi siya possible. Kailangan talaga tandem sila. It would never work if it's just one. It should be both, right? So, pero mas maganda ba pakinggan na dalawa lang kailangan para ma-achieve yung dream? Instead of, kasi yung mga sinagot nyo is not wrong answers, definitely. Those are like the character that you need. Pero yung tangible is like you have to have money. Agree? Okay. So, syempre, tanungan portion to para may engagement. Right? So I have questions for you guys, including them at the back. So here, sabi dito, marami daw pera si Kuya. Good afternoon. Welcome to Sante Edge presentation. Alright. Marami daw pera si Kuya, pero wala siyang, marami siyang pera, mali, baliktad. Marami daw time si Kuya pero wala siyang pera. Next. Ito yung maraming pera pero wala naman siyang time. And then yung pangatlo, which is the saddest part, wala na siyang pera, wala pa siyang time. Doon tayo sa mga newcomers. Sir, what's your good name? Lord Win? Lord Win, oh, this unique kasi on my ear. Hi, Lord Win, how are you? Sino ka sa tatlo? Mukhang nasa nasa may pera ka na eh. No time, no money? Ah, okay, you're dressing up well. Good. No time, no money. Sige, gagawa natin ng paraan yan. How about you? Okay, nagsusulat pa si Sir. Sige, I'll skip you muna para makapag-focus ka dyan. So there, sino pa hindi ko natasya? Dapat lahat mag-participate. Hi, good afternoon po. Welcome to Sunday. Ayan, tapos ka na nagsulat. Your good name? Meliton. Meliton. Ang cute naman, ang unique naman ng mga names niya. And who are you from those three in front? Kasi yung friend mo, ano na siya eh, no time, no money. Ayaw niyang i-reveal yung ano niya, kayamanan niya. Abo. You have all the time but no money? Okay. Lahat naman tayo Pinoy, di ba? Okay. Time but no money. Sino kilala niyo sa Pinas na ang daming oras pero walang pera? What does it mean? Mga tambay. They have all the time in the world. Pero since wala nga silang ginagawa, wala silang pera. Right? Eh yung mga marami na may pera pero wala namang time. Do you know anyone? Employees, definitely tayo. To the point na we had to go here in Dubai to earn more money. Kasi nga, di ba? Who here is just for like, who came here just for leisure? Sa mga VIPs natin? Or we're all here to earn money? Earn money? Okay, pare-pareho naman tayo. Right, employees, marami tayong pera, wala tayong time. And then sa no time, no money, wala na, except for you, na nagsabing no time, no money ka. But let's work on that later para mabago natin yung current situation mo. Okay? Now, what will you do kung meron, kasi na-discover natin here in Sante, na merong 3 secret of the rich. Gusto niyo ba yung marinig para malaman natin kung paano kayo yayaman?
Yes.
Okay. Parang hindi excited ang mga VIP. It should be the VIPs. Gusto niyo bang malaman kung ano yung 3 secret of the rich? Okay. Perfect. Thank you so much for the energy. I love that. Okay. So, watch the video and then try to, kasi syempre may tatanong ako after the video. Okay?